Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your bank account to TapTap Send using an app phone. Let's get started. First, open the TapTap Send app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on three straight line at the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on Payments. Tap Add Payment Method, then choose Bank Account. Select your bank name from the list. Carefully enter your bank account number and any other required details. Make sure everything is correct to avoid delay. TapTap Send may ask you to verify your bank account. This could be done by a verification code or small test deposit or logging into your bank securely. Just follow the instruction on the screen. Once verified, your bank account will be successfully connected. You can now select it anytime when sending money. And that's it. Always keep your bank information private and secure. If you have any problems, TapTap Send customer support is available to help. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.